subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make this very beautiful Christmas card. So let's get started. First, write Merry Christmas at the end of a paper with the help of a pen. I am using calligraphy pen here. If you want something like that, you can check the description box for the link. Now on the top of the paper, stick a red pom-pom, and here I am using green glass beads and I am sticking it like this. Just keep on adding more beads to make it look like a Christmas tree. And this is how you make a very stunning, very beautiful Christmas card by just spending 5 minutes and less than 50 rupees. So do try it out on your own. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and give a like for this video. And watch some more Christmas videos. I have an entire playlist for the same. Bye!